Hey guys, this is Killer B 0012. This is what I'm doing on my birthday. I'm 9 years old.
And it ain't 4th of July.
It's not 4th of July, but we are setting up some fireworks for my birthday. And then we got some cake. Yeah, we got an alien. You stupid alien. Yeah, bye alien. This is my cake. It's chocolate, and then this is for my stepdad. He's allergic to chocolate, so we got him this.
I did that.
Yeah, my sister did that. That's, what should I call you, Shiley?
You already messed it up.
There you go.
You already messed it up. You said what should I call you?
Guys, I'm sorry. I don't know my sister's name. I forgot all about it.
All right, come on.
What's your
Let's go
name?
do some fireworks.
Okay, let's go and do the fireworks. Yeah, we're gonna do some fireworks. Yeah, let's do some
fireworks, girls.
Alien! Hey!